January 12, 1888. Some people called it a soft morning. The sun shone brightly, there was no wind, and some children were off to school and didn't even wear a coat. Farmers took advantage of this mild weather, and my grandfather sent his son Edwin south about a mile to a fellow homesteader to get a load of hay. But some people scanned the sky suspiciously. The stillness and the heavy air just didn't feel right. A black cloud hung over the horizon in the west, and then in the early afternoon, a peculiar hush prevailed over everything. People stopped and looked. In the next minute, the sky was completely overcast by this black cloud, and snow as fine as sifted flour swirled in the air. The wind changed from northeast to northwest and back and forth, and finally settled northwest with gales of 60 miles an hour. The temperature changed from 74 degrees to minus 40. The blizzard is called a children's blizzard because so many children lost their lives. Some teachers told the children, "Run home as fast as you can," and other teachers kept their children, and they huddled together all night by the stove. My dad's brother directed his horses toward home. Grandpa and Grandma stood outside their home and beat on pans throughout the night. Edwin headed northwest against the wind. He never made it. The next night, when the blizzard subsided, they searched and found his frozen body by a straw stack a half-mile east of town, or east of his home. They carried his body home and put it on the table. And my dad's sister told me that she stayed by him and tried to get the snow out of his ears.